So this is a piece of luggage that I absolutely love so much. This is the Travelpro Platinum Elite hardside luggage. Has an awesome TSA lock, so that way you'll be able to lock away your belongings and put a code on it, a custom code. And there is a lot of space on this thing. Really love the just luxurious look of it all. It's made of this hard shell type of material on the outside. And then on the inside, there's plenty of room for all your belongings here and lots of compartments. I'll show you that in just a little bit. But before that, let's just show you all the things it has on here. I love the sleek look, and I love this black look. It does come in a bunch of different finishes. So you can I think there's a silver, black, blue, and what have you. So just pick the one that you like the most. Love the wheels that it's on. So you can easily just wheel that in through the airport. And then here is the compartments. You can zip away different things in different areas. And we have that strap there just to keep everything secure as you're traveling. These nice zippers are nice, so you can just put some, like maybe some accessories to my laptop, just to couple that in with the clothes in there. So absolutely love it. Perfect to bring it through the airport in your travel. So again, this is Travelpro luggage.